How to create a new account on blockchain. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on blockchain. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So first thing first, open up your browser and go ahead and search for blockchain.com and you will be directly taken to your blockchain's website. And here you will have two options on the top right corner. If you already have an account, you can just tap on login to easily sign into your account, or if you don't have one, you can just tap on sign up. And if you see here, you can directly enter your email address and sign up here as well. So I'm just going to head over to the sign up tab. And once you get here, you will have to enter a few informations like entering your email address. So I'm just going to enter mine. And once you have done that, you will need to create a password that is minimum of 8 characters. So I'm just going to create my password and then you just tap on next. And as you can see, the password must contain a lowercase letter, uppercase letter, number, and special characters. So make sure that you enter all of those. And once the password criteria is met, just tap on next. And once you have done that, you'll have to select a country. And once you select it, if you have set any referral code, if someone has referred this site to you, you can enter their referral code here. That is totally optional. And then you just tap on the next button. Now the next step is to verify your email. So blockchain will send you a verification email. So go ahead and check your Gmail. I'm just going to open mine right here. So here is the email that I've gotten from blockchain. So I'm just going to press on this verify my email button and it will take me to another website of blockchain. And now here you will have an option to sign in directly. So as you can see, the device has been verified. You can close this tab or page and go back to your other blockchain tab. So I'm just going to head over here. And now you can just go ahead and log into your account. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.